Hey guys, Ryan here with Ziggurat Products. Just want to show you the new wall plate adapter product we came out with. This makes it super nice and clean on your wall, easy to use. So just make sure you have a screw gun or a screwdriver, gloves, very sharp, your hose, tape measure. You'll need some tin snips. First, what you're going to want to do is take your tape measure and you're going to measure 1.25 inches off of the dryer vent here. And then what we're going to do is take your tin snips and then we're going to cut into this up to 1.25 inches all the way around. It's not an exact science, but it'll get us there. All right, so now the next thing you want to do is make tabs about 1 inch all the way around. So next, we're going to just bend these tabs up towards the surface. All right, just like that. So next, we're going to install the wall plate adapter. We include a seal ring to put on the back of this to keep it an airtight seal. And all we're going to do is just push it in and then take our 4 screws that we have here, screw gun, and we're just going to make it straight onto the wall. And we're going to attach it. This gives a nice secure connection onto your wall. And then we're going to take the snap connector and the hose, put the hose inside and have the finger connectors inside of the hose like this. We're done. Thanks for watching the installation video for the wall plate adapter. We take great pride in creating user-friendly products at an affordable price. Thanks for choosing Ziggurat Products.